It's only been 110 days and my indoor tobacco plants gifted me a few dead leaves. So it gives me a chance to test out my drying, and I've got a rather unique drying method that I'd like to share with you all today. So here's a unique way to dry small amounts of herbs, or in my case tobacco. In my spare bedroom I've got a PC mining cryptocurrencies, so it's always maintaining about 67 to 70 degrees, so it kicks off quite a bit of heat. And one day by accident I put one of the leaves on top of the PC, and hey presto, a few days later it was all dried out. I put some kitchen roll on top of the PC so as not to damage it, but as you can see, after a few days the leaves have dried out quite well actually, and these will go on to the next part of this experiment. If you aren't interested in making a small income from your PC, I'll put a link to cudominer in the description. It shows you what software you've got running, your monthly earnings in satoshis, your PC temperature, and your total power usage. They've also got a 10,000 satoshi sign up bonus on the link provided.